How can I mirror my mobile device on my TV wirelessly?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. In this video, we'll be discussing a very useful and interesting topic: how to mirror your mobile device on your TV wirelessly. This technique will allow you to project your mobile screen onto your TV, making it great for streaming videos, gaming, or even presentations.
What do you need?
First things first, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. 1. A smart TV that supports screen mirroring. 2. A smartphone or tablet with screen mirroring capabilities. This feature is usually available in most modern Android, iOS, and Windows devices. 3. Both devices should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Remember, not all devices support this feature, so make sure to check your device's specifications.
How to mirror an Android device?
Now, let's move on to the process for Android devices. 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade. 2. Look for the Smart View or Screen Mirroring option. This may vary depending on your device's manufacturer. 3. Tap on this option and a list of available devices will appear. 4. Select your Smart TV from the list. 5. Your screen should now be mirrored on your TV. Note, if you can't find the screen mirroring option, it might be located in the Settings, under Display, or Connections.
How to mirror an iOS device?
For those of you with iOS devices, the process is just as easy, thanks to AirPlay. 1. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. 2. Tap on Screen Mirroring. 3. A list of available devices will appear. Select your Smart TV from the list. 4. If prompted, enter the AirPlay passcode shown on your TV. 5. Your screen should now be mirrored on your TV. Note, make sure that your iOS device and your Smart TV support AirPlay 2 for this to work. And there you have it. Now you know how to mirror your mobile device on your TV wirelessly. This can truly transform your media viewing experience, making it much more enjoyable and immersive. Remember to ensure your devices are compatible and connected to the same Wi-Fi network before you start. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy streaming!